छोले चना दाल, Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I'm Zai, and today we are going to make a very simple recipe which is called as chole chana dal. Let's quickly run through the ingredients of this recipe. To make chole chana dal, we would require soaked kabuli chana or chole, soaked chana dal, oil, cumin seeds, chopped garlic, slit green chilies, sliced onions, salt, turmeric powder, tea bags, garam masala powder, amchur powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, fenugreek seed powder, yellow bell pepper julienne for garnish, and coriander sprigs for garnish. Asafoetida or hing. To begin with, what we have done is, we have soaked the kabuli chana and chana dal for around 8 to 10 hours, and after that we have pressure cooked it with some turmeric powder, tea bags and salt for around 7 to 8 whistles or till the chana and the chana dal is cooked. You can see it's absolutely soft and it's nicely cooked. So let's begin with the tempering. For that, let's heat the pan. I have a nice non-stick wok over here. To this wok, we'll add some oil. You can even use ghee for this preparation. We'll just wait till the oil becomes hot. The oil is now hot. Let's add cumin seeds. And we'll just wait till they start to change their color. It's time to add some asafoetida or hing, as we call it. Let's add some chopped garlic, some green chilies, slit green chilies, and mix it well. You have to basically saute this till the raw flavor of the garlic is gone and it's nicely cooked. As you can see, the color of the garlic is changing. It's time to add some sliced onions. And we have to saute the onions till they become golden brown in color. As you can see, the onions are nice and golden brown. Let's add the dried spices to it. We'll start with some turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, fenugreek seed powder, little bit of it, not much, chole masala. Chole masala is easily available in the supermarkets and grocery stores. Amchur for the tanginess, and we'll just mix all the ingredients nicely. We'll add some cooking liquor that we have reserved. We have already added salt while pressure cooking the chana dal and chole, so go a little low on salt. We'll just allow this mixture to come to a boil. So a mixture or the gravy has come to a boil. We'll now add the cooked chana dal and chole. And we'll mash the chole a little bit with the help of the back of the spoon. So we have mashed the chole and chana dal. We'll sprinkle some garam masala powder on top. Give it a mix. And now we'll cover and cook the chole for around 5 to 7 minutes. We have been cooking this chole for around 5 to 7 minutes. Let's check. Yes, the gravy is nice and thick and it's absolutely done. Let's serve it in a serving plate. We'll switch off the flame. Now we'll garnish this with some yellow bell pepper juliennes and a sprig of coriander leaves. Chole chana dal is ready. Serve it with hot kulchas or bread.